Made it to the weekend. It's Friday, and I just got home from work. Joe's on his way to Hamlin Beach to hang out with his family. Saw him on the way out as I walked in the front door. He was walking out. I have a ton of cleaning to do, and everything needs to be tidied up. There's like unfolded laundry and all kinds of other stuff everywhere. And I don't want to do any of it. I want to go rock climb instead. So I'm gonna try and clean as fast as I can, and then, why is it so dark? And then maybe I'll have time to rock climb. But the main event tonight is going to Parcel 5 or at the Rock Pit to watch Napoleon Dynamite. Alright, cleaned up the lounge, and it's a little bit too late to go climbing, but it's good to have the house clean for the weekend so that I don't have to clean and I can vlog instead. Made it to the Rock Pit and watched a little bit of Napoleon Dynamite. Always fun. Walked around to try and get coffee. Fuego was already closed. We walked over, it was like 8:22, so we missed it by almost half an hour. And then we got to Java's, grabbed some various snacks and assorted items there, and walked back over to the Rock Pit, watched the movie, biked back, and highly recommend. It'd be great if it was grass instead of gravel. Maybe one day.
Come on, give me some of your tots. No, go find your own. Come on, give me some of your tots. No, freaking stop. I didn't get to eat anything today. Gross. Freaking idiot.